I found 3 personal finance books that changed my life. And today, I'm going to test 10 personal finance books and show you exactly what happens. By the end of this video, you'll know which books are worth your time and which aren't. 0-30 the rules. What am I testing? How will I measure success? Well, I've gathered 10 of the most talked about personal finance books from 2026. These include titles like The Millionaire Next Door, Your Money or Your Life, and The Simple Path to Wealth. Each book promises to help you build wealth, manage debt, and live a financially free life. But do they deliver? To measure success, I'll apply the principles from each book to my own finances for a month. I'll track my spending, savings, and investments using the Best Personal Finance app 2025. I'll also keep a journal of my thoughts and experiences. At the end of the month, I'll evaluate the results and determine which books had a significant impact on my financial well-being. 1-30 day-by-day testing. Let's dive into the first book, The Millionaire Next Door. This book emphasizes frugality and living below your means. I applied its principles by cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on value over status. After a month, I saw a noticeable increase in my savings. However, the book lacked practical strategies for investing and growing wealth. Next up is Your Money or Your Life. This book focuses on transforming your relationship with money through emotional awareness. I followed its exercises and meditations. While it helped me understand my financial behaviors, it didn't provide concrete steps for improving my financial situation. The Simple Path to Wealth was a game changer. This book advocates for passive investing in low-cost index funds. I implemented its strategy by setting up automatic contributions to my investment account. The results were impressive. My portfolio grew steadily, and I felt more confident about my financial future. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss offers strategies for creating a location-independent lifestyle. I experimented with outsourcing tasks and automating my business processes. While it improved my productivity, it required significant upfront effort and investment. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki promotes financial education and entrepreneurship. I attended networking events and explored business opportunities. Although it sparked my entrepreneurial spirit, it didn't provide actionable steps for immediate financial improvement. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey focuses on getting out of debt and building wealth. I followed its debt snowball method and created a strict budget. It was challenging but effective. I paid off a significant portion of my debt within a month. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham teaches value investing principles. I analyzed companies and selected undervalued stocks. While it required extensive research, it led to some profitable investments. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach promotes automatic savings and invest. I set up automatic transfers to my savings and investment accounts. It was effortless and helped me consistently save and invest. The Behavior Gap by Carl Richards explores the psychological barriers to financial success. I practiced mindfulness and avoided impulsive financial decisions. While it improved my financial discipline, it didn't provide tangible financial results. 7 o'clock, the surprising part. Here's where it gets interesting. I expected all 10 books to offer valuable insights, but only 3 truly changed my life. The Simple Path to Wealth, The Total Money Makeover, and The Automatic Millionaire provided practical strategies that significantly improved my financial situation. They taught me how to invest wisely, pay off debt, and save effortlessly. But the real surprise is coming. I discovered that combining the principles from these 3 books created a powerful financial plan. By following their advice, I achieved remarkable results in just 1 month. 8 o'clock, final results. Let's look at the final results. My savings increased by 20%, my debt decreased by 30%, and my investments grew by 15%. These numbers speak for themselves. The 3 books that changed my life provided actionable steps that led to tangible financial improvements. 9 o'clock, honest verdict. Would I recommend these books? Absolutely. If you're looking for practical strategies to improve your financial life, these 3 books are worth reading. They offer proven methods for saving, investing, and paying off debt. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, The Sister's Revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new personal finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier.